Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Effie, and today I have a new job lead for you. And this job lead is for you to be a personal assistant, and it's actually a maternity contract. So, guys, this job lead is brought to you by Indeed under 20 Essex Limited. So, please, before I just continue, if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button right now below there, and also put on the notification bell so that whenever I upload new remote opportunities, you will be among the first people to go and apply, and actually you'll be able to grab that job, sorry. So let me just take you through the description of this job. The job details: the salary that they're going to pay you is up to 32,000 euro per year, and it's a full-time fixed-term remote opportunity, and they need one person for this role. So let me just take you through also the duties that will be assigned to you, and these duties will be administrative and secretarial tasks, assisting in caseload file management for Duncan Matthews QCs, maintaining databases, diary and mail management, responding to queries by email or telephone, booking travel, electronic and hard copy filing, and also personal admin and errands. Guys, if this opportunity sounds great to you, you can go ahead and apply right now. I'll put the link on the description section towards this job, and you'll be able to apply right away. I am actually wrapping up this video because I do not want to waste any of your time. So guys, go ahead and apply. All the best. Good luck.